cookie sheet.
Okay, Clark Griswold.
I'm not sure Baker and Simone will be talking anytime soon, won't we?
Because you have to be good right now.
Are they yummy?
Let me taste. Delicious. Those are really good. Show mommy your tongue.
Oh, full of green.
Yeah.
Green cookies.
That was the best Christmas cookie I have ever had in my entire life.
Yeah.
Good job.
We did hard work.
Yeah.
And we also did some projects today.
Good.
This is a snowflake ornament. And this is a happy birthday ornament, Jesus.